Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on grid positions. A grid is a flat surface that contains vertical and horizontal lines. These lines are at right angles to each other and they are equally spaced apart. With this setup, we are able to use both the vertical and horizontal lines to find the exact location of objects on the grid. So here we have a grid and we have 4 objects here. Now on the horizontal axis we have some letters and on the vertical axis we have some numbers. That's just what I've chosen for this example. So using the information on both the horizontal and vertical axes together, we can pinpoint the location of any object. Here, the universally accepted rule is that we state the letter on the horizontal axis first, followed by the number on the vertical axis. So here are some examples, and those examples will show us how to find the position of those 4 objects. So the red circle, which is here, is at C5. So C is the letter on the horizontal axis, and we go up 5 spaces on the vertical, and that will pinpoint the red circle, C5. So it's always horizontal, vertical. The blue square is at F3. F3. The green triangle is at G6. G6. And the orange star is at A2. A2. So here we have some exercises, and there are 6 simple exercises here. Now we have to do some drawings on this particular grid. There's the information on the horizontal axis and also on the vertical axis. So what we have to do is, number 1, draw a triangle at G3, draw a square at H9, draw a star at A6, draw a circle at D1, draw a face at C8, and draw a heart at E10. So you can pause this video for a little while you do those 6 exercises, and in a moment I'll go to the next slide where we have the answers. So you can pause the video, you can sketch the grid if you like on a sheet of paper and just do those answers there. So what I'll do now, I will go to the next slide and we will see all the answers. So the triangle at G3 is there. The square at H9 is there. The star at A6 is here. The circle at D1 is there. The face at C8 is here. And the heart at E10 is there. So this video has introduced us to the basic concept of grid positions, where we use the horizontal and vertical axis to pinpoint the positions of various objects on the grid.